What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian, and on today's episode of Flake Garage, we're going to be installing some LED sequential turn signals into my 2018 Toyota Tacoma. I found this turn signals on Amazon for around $50 right after the holidays, so I decided to pick up a set. All the reviews on it look good, and then we finally got them here in hand. We're going to open the box, see what the kit comes with, then we're going to move on to the truck, remove the old ones, install our new lights, put everything back together, and then see how they look during the day and at night. So let's do it. Alright guys, so here it is with the lights outside of the box. This is everything that comes in it when you buy it. It actually came in pretty well packaged. It's nice and secure. And then you also got this small screwdriver here and this trim removal tool, which is pretty nice of them to include. Here are the lights themselves. As you can see, they're all blacked out. There is no chrome on any of it compared to the stock one. And this one should be a lot brighter and also illuminate from all the way from here to the end of the light. So that should look a lot better than the factory ones right now, but we're going to take a look at the factory ones first and then move on to the next step. Alright guys, so here we are at the truck, and here we can see the factory light. We have the chrome right here on the top and bottom of the light itself, and that's what we're trying to get rid of today. The new light is going to be all blacked out completely, and it should look a lot better. Let me show you how it looks right now. If you unlock the truck, we're gonna get that. As you can see, it's not very bright, kind of a little bit faded here, especially in sunlight. So let me put on the flashers, and here we have the flashers on. As you can see, it's not, you have to get it with the right angle. Even with the camera, it almost looks like the center has almost no light in there. So very dim, not very bright. So we're gonna switch that right now. We're gonna get in here and replace it with the new one. And to do that, we're just gonna have the tools. We are actually using just the little trim removal and the little Phillips screwdriver that came with the kit. And I just have some spare trim removal tools just in case I need them, but you should be able to just get by with the little kit. You might not even have to get anything extra. Here we have our new light. As you can see, it's all blacked out and ready to go. So let's move on into removing this, and the easiest way to remove it is going to be to try to get the trim removal tool here and start prying this way with the cover. Should be a lot easier. Try to get the bottom of it. There's going to be one clip about here, one somewhere around here, two on this corner, and then just the top part of it that plugs with the mirror itself. So let's get to it. So now we're basically ready to remove the two screws here. There's one here and then one in here, and then after that we need to make sure we get the cable out of this little clip here, and then on the back of here there's gonna be this part. You need to make sure those two are out because that's holding the light in place as well. And then you'll be able to just pop this whole kind of plastic, not completely off, but just pop it off enough so we can get this light out. So let's do it. Okay guys, so now we have the light completely out of it. We have our old light here, we have our new one. We're gonna put this one in here, remove the plastic, and start putting it in place. Now one thing, for the red cable, it needs to go with the pink cable in here, so make sure your red is matching with the pink and the white one's matching with the black for the ground. So let's do it. Alright guys, and here you can see now the new light is all installed. Everything is put back in place, and it definitely looks a lot darker. None of that chrome is here. Everything looks good. If I lock my door real quick, you can see the whole thing gets illuminated. I'm gonna unlock it real quick. Everything looks good there. Let me turn on the hazard lights real quick. And here we have the hazard lights on. As you can tell, that's a lot brighter than the old light was. A lot easier to see. So that looks 10 times better in my opinion. Makes the truck look a little bit better, gets rid of some of that chrome So I think it's worth the $50 I spent on this. We're gonna see how long they last for now, but they look to be built pretty nicely and they're working exactly like they should. So I'm pretty happy with the purchase right now. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, this is a very easy install. It took maybe about 10 to 15 minutes to get both sides done. Like I said, I would recommend you have a bag or something, some way to catch in this so it doesn't go flying and you don't hurt your paint or anything like that. So that'll be the only thing you need to watch out for when installing this. Otherwise, everything fits perfect. It seems to be looking very good. The build quality seems to be there and it looks perfect. As you can see, this is a lot brighter than the old one was in the factory, and it just looks a lot better with the sequential on it. So I'm very happy with the purchase. I don't think you can go wrong for this with $50. So if you guys want to pick up a set, I'll leave a link in the description. Check it out if you need one. Otherwise, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.